Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make your WhatsApp status visible to your contacts. Whether you've been wondering how to adjust your privacy settings or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you set it up in no time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience and access to all features. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy. The Privacy section is where you can control who sees your personal information, including your status updates. Now tap on Status. This is the section specifically dedicated to managing who can view your WhatsApp status updates. Here, you'll see a few options for customizing your audience. To make your status visible to all your saved contacts, select My Contacts. This setting ensures that everyone in your contact list can view your updates. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your status privacy settings. From now on, whenever you post a new status, all of your contacts will be able to see it. If you ever want to change these settings again, for example, to exclude specific people or limit visibility, just return to the same privacy menu under Status and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.